So here we're about to do some maintenance on a Honda GCV 160 Troy-built push lawnmower. We're about to get it ready for winter maintenance, so we're draining the gas. That's our first step here. Neil's gonna walk us through how to drain the gas.
Okay, so first off, what I did is I removed the pulley by taking off 3 bolts. Very simple. Pulley, I just set it back here. Lift this off, the gas tank is built into this. The hose on the side here runs into here. You can take the clip and move it back with some pliers. It's a compression clip. And then I should be able to pull the hose right off of there. Yeah, I have to monkey with it a little bit, but it'll go. There we go. Clip is out of the way. Now, I should be able to work the hose off of there, turning it.
So for the Honda here, it's pretty straightforward. To complete the oil change procedure, all we need to do here is unscrew this cap. Once the cap is unscrewed, we will be tipping the lawnmower over, as there's no drain plug apart from this right here. So to empty the oil, we're gonna have to tip this lawnmower over onto it this side until all the oil comes out. Now you'll need a container here to catch the oil. Once that's finished, you'll need half a liter of replacement oil, also inserted right back into here. You're able to check that with the dipstick once you've finished. So as you see here, we've checked it, we're good to go. And then you just reinstall this plug and the oil change process is complete.